Hey guys, me Chris. I'm just finished doing my errands in the South Air Mall. But man, look at the rain, guys. This is normal in Washington State. It's raining during COVID-19. Yep. Woo! It's raining hard. Holy moly. I'll go back to my car. I don't want to show you guys my plate number. Hold on. Sure when I get there. Oh, yeah, see? Stopped at 85 over at Westfield, aka South Sarah Mall. Yeah, I think like South Sarah Mall is the biggest mall in Washington State that I've known so far. Yep, it's my car, decent Versa. I think it's the 2019 model. Oh, it's raining! Oh my gosh! Ah, I'm wet! Holy moly! Yep, if you live in Washington, guys, welcome to Washington. Here, I'm gonna go turn the engine. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go to Lam Seafood Market. Turn this on. All the way. There we go. Yeah, it was foggy. Here's the shocker. And with AC too. See? Just to get rid of the fog, but it's not foggy right now, so I'll turn it off. I'm gonna have to use that at some point later on while I'm driving. Okay guys, well, insane weather. And COVID-19 pandemic too at the same time. I think I'm a mess. I'm wearing 2 layers. Look at this. One and two. Wearing 2 layers. Well, I'm gonna lock the door. Okay. Just up. Whew. I need to clean my glasses. Well guys, I'm gonna go, so I'll see you guys in peace out. And yep, stay safe if you guys are going out. I go out, you know, but still I follow the safe procedures, protocol, you know. Social distance, 6 feet apart, wash your hands frequently, more often. Man, news, global news. Alright guys, later. Stay safe, yo.